Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring a brand new subscription box to you guys. That's right. Today I'm gonna bring this big old box right here. This is from the Vices subscription. Do you wanna know what is in my box and what this is all about? Stay tuned. All right, you guys, so my October Vice box just arrived. Vice box did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to review. I cannot wait to dive in and see what this is all about, you guys. This box is large and in charge. Do you guys see how big this box is? It even has a handle on the top. Here's my handle, here is my spout. Did come in an outer box, and then I opened up the box to see what was inside, and this was inside, but I haven't opened up the inside of the box yet. But it is like this, which is cool because I was able to carry it nicely by this handle. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you all about the company first, and then we're gonna dive in and we're gonna see what this first box brings. I'm so excited. Now, Vice box. Now, you get one box per month for as long as you would like, billed monthly. And if you do one box at a time for $129.95, if you do 3 months at a time, you save 25% off. So it would be $119.95 for the boxes every month. If you go to 6 months, you save more. You save 31%, and it brings it down to $109.95. And if you go to 12 months, that's the best value. You save 38%, and it brings the box down to only $99.95 per box. I do believe shipping is an addition, and every month you will receive a delivery with a focus of a new product and experiences that bring out the best in life. Products are curated for the sophisticated consumer and concierge. Fine spirits, handmade leather goods, high quality foods, and other rare finds. That's the kind of things we're gonna find in these boxes. With respect to your leap of faith, we deliver products that greatly exceed the cost of each box. They also have a magazine as well if you were interested in their magazine. Now, there was a little bit of a description on their website that I wanted to read for you guys. It says, "Welcome to the Vice membership, a journey designed for those with a profound appreciation for the authentic and unique. This program delivers a curated selection of exceptional goods that promote those vices that bring out the best in us. Each delivery is meant to stimulate our curiosity, support artisans that keep authentic craft alive, bring us together in celebration, and support movements of peaceful pause. This membership is not for the masses. We are not for everyone. Vices are for those who seek out rare and exciting experiences, dig for reason, welcome the surprise, and live for the moments. The mindset unites us and forms the very foundation of our community." So they're even saying this is not for everybody. It is for the ones that actually appreciate the finer things in life, and they wanna actually get the unique things sent to their door and get high quality products in doing so. So that's why this box is on the higher price point, but you always get what you pay for in life, you guys. I'm a firm believer of that, and they do say it's not for everybody. So if you can appreciate this type of a box, then this box might be for you. But one thing is, which is really, really neat, I have them linked down below. You can use my link to check out their website. But right now they do have a code that if you put in luxury 50, you save $50 off your first box. $50 off your first box. So you're gonna get your first box well under $100 depending on which membership you pay for. But you save $50, you guys. So link down below, luxury 50 will give you $50 off your first month's box. So, and I can hear the alcohol moving around. Let's go ahead and dive in and let's get in here. I'm so excited. Now, when you first sign up, they will give you an option of the different boxes that they have available at the time that you can either choose from, or you can select surprise me and they will surprise you. I don't know if every single month you can go in and pick which one or if that's just the first time, but that's what I noticed when I tried to kind of do an order to see what it would be for you guys to order them, because I know they have different themed boxes and I was trying to figure that part out. So when you open it up, ooh, let's see if I can do this. Hand hold it up. It's a big box. So when you first open it up, it says raw advice, and it has some information right on the top, and it looks like there's a booklet and everything as well. You have this nice padding. Ooh, that is a nice thick padding, you guys, which you can repurpose if you would like to. So let me set that aside. Do you want to see what is in here, what it looks like? Oh, I'm so excited. Look at, I don't want anything to fall out. But that is made specifically to hold everything in place to where nothing is going to move or break. Very good packaging right off the get-go. Woo! So this particular set I actually chose because I think this one is like sake, and I really love sake, especially if you go to like Japanese restaurants and I get the hot sake. Ooh, I love it. So this says you're about to experience an award-winning Franco-Japanese sake calibration. Woo! Introducing Heaven Sake by French wine master Regis Camus. I believe that's how you say. There's him right there. And that is so exciting. You guys, I can't wait to taste this. Okay, so Heaven Sake. What happens when you take one of France's greatest cellar masters and set him loose in two of Japan's most esteemed sake breweries? The answer lies in Heaven Sake, a poetic fusion between expert Japanese craftsmanship and French taste-making. Whether you're a novice or a connoisseur, Heaven Sake, 2 bottles of which you'll find in this special box, is unlike any sake you've ever experienced. See, I'm loving this box, you guys. And I love that there's different themes. Won a pair of double gold medals and was named best sake over 45 other competitors. What? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Japanese sakes only use 4 ingredients: water, rice, yeast, and kojoi, K-O-J-I. Unlike many standard sakes, there are no additives in Heaven Sake, and it's naturally free of gluten and sulfates. Before brewing, the rice is polished or milled to a fraction of its original size. And Juno means the rice has been polished. The rice has been polished to 60% or less of its original size, while significance rice that has been polished to 50% or less. You'll find them in this box. So I guess that definitely matters on how much they shave down on the rice. Like, I never even knew that that mattered. Wow. So there's all this information in here that you can read up on them. And there's a double bend white wine glass, and these wine glasses look so neat. So let me go ahead and get the bottles out so we can see. Ooh, and that is a really pretty bottle. Look at that blue teal color, you guys. So it says Heaven Sake. It's J-U-N-M-A-I is the first word, and then G-I-N-J-O. I keep wanting to say Jumanji, but that's not what it is. But here is this guy. This is 15% alcohol volume, a 720 ml as the bottle. And then let me get the other one. Ooh, let me set that down. I don't want it to fall off my table. No, thank you. I want to drink you. And then here is the other one. It's a black, it's like an all black glass. It looks like it's black. And this one says 16% alcohol. And then let's get these glasses out. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Look how pretty. Let me grab the other one out before this box falls. So here are the glasses, you guys. And that is just so, look at how it goes down and then in and then in. I like the way that it's curved, like the design to it. It's definitely different. Then the stem even goes down thinner. And then there is the logo like right in there. It's in the glass as well. So you have some really pretty wine glasses. You have the 2 bottles of sake, and I cannot wait to try them out, you guys. Holy moly. Now I know another set had this tequila in there. I remember that tequila being one of them. And this says, Tracy, we're so excited for you to experience the luxury of vices. We think you'll absolutely love the Heaven Sake edition and can't wait to hear your thoughts. Enjoy. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to test them out. All right, you guys, so I'm going to clean my glasses and I'm gonna try them both out with my man, and I will be back to let you know what I feel about them. Okay, you guys, so I am back to kind of finalize my thoughts on the two sakis. So the darker one was actually a little bit more stronger and had a slightly different taste than the blue one. They were both extremely good. I've never had anything like it. Just like it said, you're not gonna find anything like it before. And it was really interesting going through and actually reading everything in this book. And then I actually started looking up the glasses because I had these just sitting on the counter with the two bottles, and I needed to clean them. So I just had them sitting there, and all of a sudden I hear like cling, cling, cling. And I was like, those are glass. What are you doing? He thought since they're so thin, they were plastic, and he literally like banged them. They did not break. So I was like, I want to know like what it's made out of. So it actually talks about how durable they are, and that there's actually a couple neat things about this. And I want to tell you guys because I think it's really neat. So it says, it's probably happened to you at a restaurant or a wine bar. You're dazzled as much from the glass as you are from the contents inside, to the point to where you wish you can take them home with you. Can you imagine? Can I just put this in my purse? But this is a really nice glass. I really, really love the shape of this. With this box, we're making the dream a reality. With a pair of Mark Thomas double blend white wine glasses, you'll find are used at Michelin-starred restaurants throughout Europe and North America. Fine dining establishments love them because they look delicate and graceful, but yet they're strong enough to survive round after round in the dishwasher. And they are dishwasher safe. So another little fun fact is there's two little bins on this glass, if you can see that. So there's one bin that goes to about right here, and then there's another bend to right there. If you look carefully at the bowl of the glass, you'll notice it's not perfectly curved. That's done on purpose. And the two bins from which the glass gets its name, they're for a reason. In addition to optimizing the taste, they also provide markers for the eye. The lower bend marks the level for a typical pour during a tasting, while the upper bend represents a full pour. No more guessing how much to fill the glass because the glass tells you. I'm sorry, honey, my full glass is up to here. But that's really neat on how they can also judge it, and then there's no guessing. It's all right there, and the glass is super elegant. It's super thin. It says on here, while the double blend white glass are sturdy enough to put in the dishwasher, they're also very thin, a mere 0.6 millimeter thick in the bowl. And like, this is literally really, really thin. Like when I was washing it, I was afraid me even putting weight on it with my sponge was just gonna shatter it. But then I reminded hearing clank, 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 and I knew, no, they'll be okay. They're strong, and they are. If they withheld that, these are gonna be some strong glasses, which I do like that too, because it looks so delicate. And now I know I cannot just be so scared. So I was able to set it down like normal, but I think those are gorgeous. It says it doesn't just look great, they actually enhance the flavor of the wine. And I just think these are adorable. You can just tell everything in here is just such high quality, and it's just exquisite, just luxury. And that's what you get, and that's what it feels like. That's what I really like and enjoy this box a lot. So I'm loving this box, you guys. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of it? Do you think this was really nice and luxurious? I definitely do. So comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.